Be honest. Did 2025 have y'all doing y'all makeup for TikTok cameras or lighting? But when you got in real lighting, like in front of the window, outside in the sun, leaving your bathroom lighting and going to your living room lighting, it became very humbling. Like when you cut that flash on and you out at the bar or something, you got your phone up, it became very humbling. The moment you saw those videos the next day, like, why do I look so flashy? Because I'm leaving some of those makeup trends in 2025 and I'm taking y'all with me. If you're new here, hey bestie, my name is Jay. I call my subbies the J-Bays, and we love all things beauty, especially makeup. But we really love when our makeup look good in real life. Like cute in person, so you don't have to keep asking your friend how my makeup look. Cute on camera, so you don't feel like you need a filter. Cute in the car visor when you're checking yourself out right before you get out the car. All of it, okay? So let's get into it. So I have my handy dandy list so I can make sure I don't forget any of the things I'm leaving in 2025 that I want to tell you guys about. The first one, Power Grip All Over Plus Matte Foundation. Oh, baby, please. Baby, that base was gripping on for dear life and not in a good way. That combo had my foundation clinging on for like it was paying rent. Like it was the one who had to pay rent on the first. So now I'm doing like a primer by zone placement. So if it's by the nose and you get oily, grip, Power Grip, perfect spot for it. But everywhere else, I need something smooth so my makeup can sit and not struggle. So that's when I just use the Urban Decay. Power Grip is a good primer, but only for those oily areas. Zone priming. It's not for everywhere. I'm talking about you gonna look like you're struggling for dear life. Number 2, over baking under the eye. When the flash come on, you gonna look like somebody blew powder on your face, because I did. I said let me bake and ended up looking like a powder don't know what lashes on. And it makes blending so much harder, especially if you're a beginner makeup girly. You're going to be blending for dear life. You're going to think it's your brushes. You're going to keep replacing brushes. You're going to think it's the setting powder, so you're going to keep replacing setting powder. But you're trying to bake with all that powder on there. You got so much to dust off. So for me personally, now I press a light layer and stop. We do not need a construction site under our eyes. Number 3, contouring too low. I used to contour all the way down here close to my mouth, walking around giving a strong man, and I didn't even know it. Like, why am I giving WWE interest on a Tuesday? So now I keep it higher, up closer towards my temple, close to the outer corner of my eye, and I blend up. We want structure. We want to be snatched. We don't want to look like a strong man. Walk around looking like that, boo. We just don't want that. Very humbling experience for me. So we lift, we don't drag. Number 4, a super bright under eye that turns gray or ashy. Lord, this was my biggest downfall, I feel like. So listen, I get we all live for that bright under eye vibe. But I learned for me, I'm more of a low contrast type of girly. Like I want it bright, but not bright enough to scare the hell out of me. I ain't trying to give Michael. So now I brighten to keep it skin tone. So in my corner of my eyes, I go like a shade and a half or 2 higher. Not really just go like a shade. Like I don't go too far. I don't go too far up no more. I go like a shade lighter, and then in the middle I do one that's close to my shade, and then on the end, on the corner, I do one that was in the beginning. I also stop bringing my concealer all the way down here. No, tap, stay in place. This is where you want it. You want your eye to give snatched eye. You want the snatched look that's gonna go with that contour. It's gonna give Instagram without the filter in real life. Number 5, blush only on temples and wrong undertone blush. This is a good one. To know me is to know I love a blush. I done said it in like 50 makeup tutorials. And I ain't even did makeup in a while, but y'all know we going back to beauty over here. But I love a blush. I love a blush real bad. A blush love to see me coming. But if you don't have the right colors for your undertone, it can come off giving very clownish, very costumish, very dramatic, too dramatic, and then you're over there trying to put something else on top of it to tone it down. So now I'm picking shades that actually match my undertone, which ChatGPT or somebody at the Ulta or something can help y'all with that. I can tell y'all how I chose mine, and it's always based off of what your undertone is at that current time, because during the winter, we all get lighter. because you're not outside as much. The sun ain't beaming on you. You're not sweating. You're not getting a tan. During the summer, I have more of a red undertone. Right now, I have more of a neutral calm undertone. So now I'm bringing it slightly forward for life and picking shades that actually match me. Because I love blush, but I don't look like looking like I'm overheating. Like I'm having an allergic reaction to something. Number 6, setting spray between each step. I don't know when they came up with that and why I tried it. I ain't gonna say really each step. It was like once you had all the liquids, spray, spray, spray. Now I'm finna spray. After I did foundation, spray. After I did concealer, blush, and contour, spray. Now powders, spray to melt them in. Then you dampen. And then you finna go ahead and finish up your look. Then you gotta do your all over where you looking like a wet. You look like you just came from out some water because you just spray, 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 spray. You don't need that much spray. You don't need that much spray. I'ma hold your hand when I say this. You don't need that much spray. Now I just do a good little spray at the end. And I take me a damp beauty blender and go all over to melt everything into place. I ain't doing all them extra sprays. Charlotte Tilbury ain't even that cheap to be doing all them extra sprays. Number 7, skipping the in-between look. Acting like makeup only comes in 2 levels. Like, you either got a makeup, no makeup look or just full glam. Like, where is the in-between at? I feel like a lot of girls lost the plot when they stopped going. They just go makeup, no makeup, or full glam. That's just your only result. Like, that's the only thing you want to walk around. I'm a more of an in-between girl. I want subtle but dramatic. Like, you can tell I did something, but you can also tell I'm not in a drag competition. Soft glam is my sweet spot. Like, I feel like soft glam would just give you that very classy, cutesy, like she did that. It can give day, night. It can give brunch. It can give, I just want to do my makeup and look cute today to go to work. Like, I love a soft glam look. I'm not a makeup, no makeup girly. Like, I'm just not. I spent too much money on this makeup for you to not realize I got something on. Number 8. Oh my God, this is my number 1. This should have been number 1. I should have put it at the top. But I was thinking of them and write them down. Anywho, this one is my number 1. Chasing viral products instead of techniques. Chasing viral products instead of techniques. The internet will have you broke. I'm telling you. The internet will have you at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Ulta, and Walmart all in one day. You keep scrolling and allow it to. But if your technique and your placement is already not good, you are not going to get that influencer result. Whoever you was watching and she was like, y'all, I started doing this to my makeup and look what it do now. You're not going to get the same results if you already don't have a good technique. You already don't know placements. Because now you buying this new product. You went from using Maybelline Fit Me setting powder to Laura Mercier, and you like, why do I have the same look I had when I was using the Maybelline that cost like $12, but now I got this $60 setting powder and I still look the same way because you didn't work on your technique. You went and bought another product. You went and got a new brush, but you don't know how to blend. What was the point of going and buy the new set, the butterfly effect, new Morphe brushes that everybody's selling to y'all right now? Well, you don't even know how to blend your makeup. The better brush ain't the problem. Your technique is the problem. And we're going to work on that. And the last one on the list. This one ain't makeup, but it's for my hygiene girlies because we all usually go hand in hand. I have one body. I have one body. When I get in the shower, I don't need 23 Dove bottles of body wash. You do not need 23 body washes, 44 scrubs, body polish. You got one body, bruh. I ain't saying have one bottle in there. You might want a different scent or something to choose, but it's starting to get ridiculous. I know y'all see the bathrooms that got all that soap, all them body butters, all them body scrubs. Like, at some point, we need some help. We gonna have to stop. Because we all, every year, start the year saying we finna save some money. Let that be the way you save a little bit this year. You don't need to keep going spend $10 on no Dove body wash. You got 14 in the bathroom, girl. But if y'all want trends, hygiene trends that I'm leaving in 2025, just comment hygiene right now down in the comment section. And I'm going to do that one next because it's some stuff they had me doing. I'd have whooped they. So, J-Babes, tell me, which ones are you leaving in 2025? And which ones are you still holding on to? Because I might judge a little bit. But who am I to judge? But I'm telling you, at least I'm honest. I might judge a little bit. And if you guys, of course, want a full tutorial on my primer placement, my soft glam routine, comment base, and I'll film it sometime this week because your girl graduates Thursday, so I will be doing my makeup Thursday morning. So comment down base if you want that video. And if you like beauty with personality and realistic thinking, then go ahead and subscribe because we getting cute and telling the truth over here. We not doing all these TikTok made me buy it. And if you go to your house right now and look at the TikTok made me buy it, how much of that stuff are you really using? How much did you really like? And I'll see you guys in my next freaking video.